stay on. How's it going, everyone? Hope you're all well. Come back to Leicester yesterday. See the family and stuff. Looking forward to next weekend. Meeting everybody again. That should be good. Up in Yorkshire. But yeah, I'm not really doing any travelling as such, so I can't film that, but I do want to keep making videos. And excuse me. And I've got a crap load of jobs that I need to do on the van, so let you get involved, see what I'm up to. Maybe it'll give people some ideas, I don't know. All sorts. I've got to fix the skylight. To be fair, actually, before I go anywhere, because my roof's leaking everywhere again, I need to take everything off my roof, go at this, all the sealant, everything, just scrape it all off, because it's obviously not worked again for some reason, and start again pretty much. The paint didn't work, so, you know, obviously it wasn't made for the kind of conditions that I put it through with the snow and all of that. So yeah, is what it is. So that's a job. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen that yesterday Leon decided to bite a hole in my computer monitor, so that's now toast. I've ordered a new one, and that's coming early next week, so I'm going to have to try and figure that out. I'm going to change where it mounts, and I've bought like a protective cover for it, so yeah, that's going to be a job as well. But today I had a little trip down B&Q yesterday and bought a sheet of MDF, because I love wasting my money at B&Q. And what I've got to do is, where I'm sitting now, I want to build a platform for Leon to sit on while we're driving, because he doesn't travel very well. It's a bit on and off. I can distract him with treats. It's normally at the start of the drive he starts to lose his head. If I distract him, then he's generally okay. But he's been sitting down here. And yeah, when I first got him, he would sit on this seat, and he loved it because, you know, look out the window, and he loves sticking his head out the window. That sorts him straight out. But obviously him sitting on this seat, because he's quite a big dog, there's not a lot of room for him, and he's constantly falling off and whacking his head on the dashboard and all sorts. But then of course when he's down on the ground, he can't see out the window. And you can't just have him loose doing what he wants, because obviously, number one, it's the law to restrain the dog, and number two, it's dangerous anyway, and it's distracting, and you know, it only takes him to jump on me once on the motorway or something, and then that could be a bit of a disaster. So what I'm going to try and do is build him a platform that sits on here, that's hopefully removable. I mean, I don't really take passengers very often, but if I can make it removable, then I can take a passenger and put it behind the chair or something. But then you see, he can sit up here, he can lie down, that's the key, and he'll still look out the windows, so that might, you know, make him travel a bit better. I don't know, hopefully. Just got to give it a go, and see what happens, really. Alright, let's have a look. So I've got my wood, I just cut it to the length. Gonna need a bit of fiddling, but let's see. So, get some cardboard and mock this up a bit. Alright, so I've just mocked this up with a bit of cardboard. I think I've roughly got my curve. It's not great, but it'll do. So now we just transfer this onto that and give it a cut. Right, there we go. That's how it's going to sit. Looks a bit ridiculous, but you know, shit you do for your dogs. And then I'm probably going to use the spare bit to like wedge it in there, kind of thing. Figure it out now to support it. It's pretty solid. Just need something under the front that sort of wedges under the back there. It'll look alright. I'll paint it all black and stick a blanket on the top. It'll be fine. Away. Right, there we go. That's it screwed in. Basic thing. Just had to reinforce it because I tried to go through and I forgot how crap MDF is. So yeah, I had to put 2 blocks of ply on each side. But it'll do the job. Once it sits on it, it'll squash down. I've just got to cut out a section here because I've got manual windows, so unless I want to be opening the door every time I want to open the window, I'm going to have to cut a hole. Let's get the verdict from the boy. Hey? What do you reckon, buddy? Come here then. Sit. Good. How's that? Give me that face, I just built it for you. What's wrong with it? Is it because you've got dust all over your head? Hey? Look, you can see out the window? Hey? Look at that. You can't get out the window. See, now getting out. Now you can't go diving out, can you? What I might do as well actually is put a strap around the seat. Come here then. Just to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Alright folks, there we go. Give it a little lick of paint, so it's got to match, otherwise it'll piss me off. It turned out alright. Didn't spend much time on it because well, I don't even know if he's going to like it yet, so cost me about a tenner. It's worth a go though. Could solve problems, we'll see. Alright, decided to elaborate on it a little bit. I found the piece that I cut off my mattress foam when I got it, so I just glued all that on there. Sort of ran out of it, so I had to use all stuff. But I just need to find something to cover it now. It's turning into a bit of a thing, this, isn't it? Check this out for a bit of recycling. Got my old dressing gown in the garage, just found it. Obviously I put it in there for rags. Proper. That's the cover. Right, there we go, I've stapled it to death. There's the remains of my dressing gown. Let's see what it looks like. Oh. Hey yo. I mean, that ain't half bad. Still got the loops on it. Oh god. That'll do, won't it? I'll have to put a blanket over the top of it. I should have ironed it first. Oh well. I'll put a blanket on it because obviously I won't be able to wash this, so I'll get all ganked up if I don't. But there you go, he's got a bit of padding. Guarantee after all this he don't even like it. But, right, let's get it in. Right, there we go. Leon now has his own dedicated chair. That turned out alright, that does. Should be comfy for him. Give it a test drive in a bit. Alright, better see what the boss thinks about it. Hey, what do you reckon? and then you go on your side. Go on. Leon, away. Away. There you go. What do you reckon, mate? Hey? Is that better? Brilliant. What do you reckon? He was waiting for the start then. Didn't come, did it, pal? Try again. Shall we try again? Some of the noises are just... Hello? Hmm? What's the matter? Ooh. Are you happy with your chair? There you go. I reckon he approves. Now he's calmed down. That's what I wanted, look. So he can lie down and look out the window still. I've just put a lead onto the seatbelt harness, so that should be pretty solid. Hey? Do you like it? Pulled up to my normal spot and there's a converted ambulance sat in it. You never expected to see another camper here. Leon, you need to get yourself in such a state for no reason whatsoever. Just making some adjustments to the old sat nav because I'm fed up of him. Normally my phone sits here and he knocks it off and it ends up down there and occasionally in there, so we need to address that. Yeah, look, just swapped it over and now we can't whack my phone off because it's on a wireless charger, so you know I just whack it on there when I get in, but easy on, easy off apparently. we go, she's still there. Not been nicked, so success. Look how nice it is around here sometimes. Especially in the evening. Scumbag. Right, back to the wagon with one dribbly dog. Oh my god. I just got nothing. Come on, let's go get some tea.